Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make money with Temu affiliate program. Make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand how to leverage this program and start earning through Temu. The first thing you need to do is visit Temu affiliate program website. So this is the website which you need. Click on it and you will land on page like this. Here you can see we have this option of get started. Click on it. Now here what you have to do is sign up. So once logged in, on your dashboard, you will get your unique affiliate link and code. And this is how you will refer new users to the platform. And guess what? Signing up for the program is completely free. There are no application fees and you do not need to hit any sale quotas. You can even join the same day you create your Temu account. So no need to make any purchases before you sign up. And once you sign up, you will be redirected to your affiliate dashboard. Here, take a moment to set up your PayPal account along with any personal information that did not transfer over your buyer account. This ensures that you will receive your earnings without any hiccups. Now that your account is set up, it's time to explore your affiliate dashboard. Temu will give you a brief overview of the different sections available, but I encourage you to take your time to familiarize yourself with each feature. This dashboard is where you can track your referrals, monitor your commissions, and access promotional materials. Now comes the fun part, promoting Temu. Share your product reviews on Temu and any other social media platforms you use, such as Instagram, TikTok, or your blog. Remember to include your referral link in your post, as this is how you will earn commissions when people sign up and make a purchase. Unlike the influencer program, which has specific requirements for posting as an affiliate, you have the freedom to share your reviews wherever you think they will have the most impact. There are no strict length or quality expectations for your reviews. As an affiliate, you will earn commissions whenever a new Temu customer uses your code to purchase items. And you can also earn up to $5 for each new download and login. And there you have it. You're now ready to start making money with Temu affiliate program. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.